This 5-minute solution will show you how to enable birthday notification on Facebook. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to enable birthday notification. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app. Tap on menu at the bottom right. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. And here tap on notifications. Tap on birthdays and enable allow notification on Facebook to enable birthday notification. Now here you can enable push notification, email notification, SMS notification. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.